Hello, you're asking about the zipper. So I just put a zipper in here. I did use the zipper tool to create the zipper. And let's see here. So I want to actually use the edit tool, the zipper edit one. It has a little arrow. That's how you know a tool is an edit thing, that little teeny arrow. And I'm gonna select it. So my property editor now should reflect everything about the zipper. Oh gosh, why is this thing here? I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay, so it has its name. You can make it like thicker and whatnot. Okay, let's see here. You can change it to plastic or metal. Let's see here. Here's color, but that's not the tape color, right? You're asking about the tape color. For fun, let's just change it to red, I guess. Yeah, that's only the teeth. That's not what we want. You know what I think happened? I need to select it again. Oh, here we go. Wait, material. I was under teeth. Here we go. I want to click tape. That's what I need to do. It has fabric matte. And let's see if we can find color now here. Let's do purple maybe. Apply and close. Hey, there we go. So now you have some purple tape as well. So that's where you go. You just want to select this edit tool and find ways to change it in the property editor.